Hey guys, Double Wide 6, and I thought I'd make a short video today on how to sharpen the blades on your lawn tractor. The first step is to unhook the electrical that goes to the hood and the lights. Next, you can just pick up and remove your hood. I always hook my chain hoist right on the center. You want to make sure your parking brake's locked and you disconnect the spark plug. As a precaution, I put jack stands under each side of the deck. And I also take the chain, the secondary chain from the hoist, and I wrap it around the axle and just loop it around with a little knot just to be safe. I engage the blades and use a 9/16 to remove it. I then use my blade balancer to make sure my blade is balanced. I'll have a link in the description to the video where I built the blade balancer, and I also have a video on the one that was made for me by a YouTube subscriber. A little anti-seize never hurts. The last thing that you want to do is you want to get your torque wrench, and I made this little blade holder which works pretty well. Just slip it on the blade like that and that'll hold the blade. There's a handle, and you hold that and you take your torque wrench and you set it to the manufacturer's specifications. Come here, Puff McStuffins. Yeah, Daddy loves you. Good girl. Alright guys, Double Wide 6 here. We got the job done. Hopefully you found the video informative. Underneath the video I'm going to put some links to how to install a chain hoist. I have a video on that. How to balance a blade using a blade balancer. I have a video on how to make that device and how it works. How to sharpen lawnmower blades. And I will also put some links on the bottom where you can get some of the tools used in today's project. Anyhow, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and have a great evening.